The two-stroke segment is far from dead. In fact, for 2027, it has entered a vicious new renaissance that pits high-budget Japanese engineering against Italian off-road purism. After a 20-year hiatus, Team Green has finally unleashed the Kawasaki KX327, a fuel-injected brute aiming to dominate the midweight class. But standing firmly in its path is the 2027 Beta XTrainer 300, a motorcycle that has quietly owned the hard enduro sector by prioritizing rideability over raw spec sheet glory. This isn't just a comparison of two motorcycles. It is a fundamental clash of philosophies on how a modern two-stroke should behave when the tarmac ends and the real suffering begins. Kawasaki's approach with the KX327 is nothing short of an aggressive technological flex. Housing a completely new 327cc fuel-injected engine within a rigid, aluminum perimeter frame derived directly from the flagship KX450F, this machine screams motocross DNA heavily adapted for the woods. Weighing in at 233.7 pounds, it brings premium KYB suspension, push-button power modes, and even smartphone connectivity via the Rideology app to a segment that traditionally favors mechanical simplicity. However, the critical question remains. Does wrapping a two-stroke in four-stroke level electronics and rigid aluminum rob the engine of the soulful, lightweight character that dirt riders crave? At a starting MSRP of $9,099, Kawasaki is betting that modern riders want precision and customizable mapping over old-school charm. In stark contrast, the 2027 Beta XTrainer 300 remains fiercely loyal to the mechanical dark arts of hard enduro, favoring linear traction over digital intervention. While it receives a new black frame and updated aesthetics for 2027, the core remains a 292.3cc liquid-cooled engine breathing through a traditional Keihin PWK36 carburetor, modernized only by a highly convenient electronic oil injection system. Beta's trump card has always been its signature electric-style bottom-end torque, managed by an adjustable BPV power valve that makes finding grip on wet routes feel like cheating. Weighing a mere 218 pounds dry and offering an incredibly approachable 35.8-inch seat height, with an even lower 34.6-inch lowboy option, the $8,990 XTrainer feels less like a race weapon and more like a purpose-built mountain goat designed to save your energy when the trail turns hostile. Putting these two head-to-head reveals completely different intended habitats. The Kawasaki KX327 thrives on momentum. Its flatter torque curve and modern EFI ensure consistent fueling across altitudes, while the stiff KX450F-derived chassis rewards an aggressive, attacking riding style on faster, sweeping trails. Conversely, the Beta XTrainer 300 is the undisputed king of slow-speed survival. Its softer enduro competition tires, plush R16V suspension, and incredibly lightweight chassis make it infinitely more forgiving when you are cross-rutted on a near-vertical climb. Where the Kawasaki demands a rider who wants to blitz the stopwatch and wrestle the machine to the podium, the Beta politely offers a helping hand to riders who just want to survive the canyon. Ultimately, your wallet and your ego will dictate which side of this fence you fall on. If you demand cutting-edge technology, factory-level rigidity, and the prestige of a modernized Japanese two-stroke, the Kawasaki KX327 is a long-awaited answer to a 20-year prayer. But if your weekends consist of throwing your motorcycle up jagged rock faces and pivoting through impossibly tight trees, the Beta XTrainer 300's unparalleled ease of use and tractor-like low end make it the smarter, less exhausting choice.